In this video, we will study how to center the cutting tool before performing any machining operation on lathe machine. Remember, it is a common practice to center the cutting tool before performing any machining operation in the case of lathe machine. Lathe machine can be used to perform machining operations like facing, turning, step turning, knurling, threading, profile turning, drilling, boring, etc. If we do not center the cutting tool before performing machining operations on lathe machine, then it will cause either the poor surface finish of the workpiece or it will cause damage to the cutting tool or the both. The meanings of centering the cutting tool before performing machining operations on lathe machine are that the cutting point of the tool and the center of the spindle must be at same height. Otherwise, it will produce poor surface finish of the workpiece and the damage to the cutting tool because of the generation of vibrations. And these vibrations are responsible for damage to the workpiece and to the cutting tool because the center of the spindle and the center of the tailstock, they are at same height, so we can center the cutting tool point by centering it with respect to the center of the tailstock. So remember, if the cutting point of the tool and the center of the tailstock, they are at same height, then definitely the cutting point of the tool and the center of the spindle, they are also at same height. Now let us learn how to center the cutting tool. Here you will see the cutting point of the tool and the center of the tailstock, they are not at same height. So we are going to add a metallic strip under the cutting tool to raise its height. Now you can see the cutting point of the tool and the center of the tailstock, they are at same height. Now after centering the cutting tool, we are ready to perform the machining operations on the lathe machine without vibrations, means without any damage to the work surface and without any damage to the cutting tool. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.